Muragobo miyo mwanche umurigerera kwirituke rigadi ya Jumapili chitariki 12 mutenyu mutangani umwaka 2025 na wakwanira ndonsi ya sori na kwariganire SMS EKEONGA senchira yobwenge nchenga trine NYABOGA habiwa kariri nero kone kichibicha na mario ingo kirachira senchira yobwekera. EKEONGA CHINSA IKOMI togo shaka kora sechiro ya mugonga igotoka ebunge ya bubasi county ya Kisii abu asa abaonchorera bautumike chirerio besokire na koimurunganeria okobora ogose besoke na koimurunganeria egote nyinge area erase chirerio asabona ba mubori mu governor we county ya Kisii Moske Paul Simbarati kobakonya koigore chirerio nabo igo korusie goto nabo kubagachera chinyomba chobo chenu.
Samaria tangoro kwa mesha kimose kuru wasi umwana bwerisha bikire radio intu kuna banyabya saraba mugonga ntu abata complain goro yechiro ya mugonga kyagaragere nchavu yebwato buchafu namba 2 chichuba kya marua na chibisi ya ruchiro mategalia yetakeire simbale kere gitakiri goburi buchafu teruzie buchafu baana bachikutukuta namba 2 imetalere ga getichete sipiga bigicho gachiko chande pali kyagere chire yegara ngechire ichombe gerenke ngobona twale batebaiga komiti yechiro n'abantu baruye county bakwane bagambire bayibonanire wanzara mambira mambiende bacha bansa korosia echireye ngobono tutwesanikire lakini ewikia ya moto toko account ebwate ansa korosia echiro ere chire bensavi chombe chibangwa chikobera nechimburi chibangwa chikobera
monya biashara omugonga bwe chombe bwa kwancha aiga echiro ite amugonga to bwata bakongwa bana sana egentege tangani chinyomba chaba chenu ntobwati kaba nabwo ande korigire ngana na era bwoye ko genda ara bakani kuchibare bwoye bani aji nyombe chaba chen egento gya kabere etogo twerwa muna ntoga ne biasa be choma ntobwa tigeti asane to one to komigana etajaro era roro ngone bwana ta kaba narigiria sango to be kabia to agajire bwana nto to kabera bia kibase chitu na tu kigara to ras chigo koriga asike oni ga eto sumbogete una bona igembura kurma be ya ingete otwangete ndigo to kama koni base joka igase te to kabera ngobono kabana ga koriga chie koriga chie boronge arosie chire boronge anyore ke tika sa aga cha sa boronge amaye kwa sa kori cho konye tariko be ka ase
Matuko makega maiga yo muwaziri w'ekisemi Moske Julius Migosi ogamba gosokya amatemu yekirase 12 gose KCSE yo mwaka weta nigo bono abamanyi b'ekisemi besokire na kubore gose na gosegeta sabono basemire abariko bali batanyorita gwikirania grade yo kogenda chi university gose bali babwate siprain go CHINSA goesoke na kwerika asichiskuru cyo bobundi erikonyora amaigerio.
It is a matter of I'm either competent, not yet competent. And I want to tell my friends, whatever grade you got, just get yourself into the skills world. Masomo Anuai, skills world. Go to the TVET wing, go to the NITA wing. NITA stands for National Industrial Training Authority. You can get curriculum like in electricals, you can get curriculum in welding. I want to tell you, friends, you are the people who are supposed and who will support those who got grade A. They want to live in a building like the one I'm in. Who will construct it? They will not come from their offices. It is you masons, it is you electrical fitters, it is you painters, it is you internal deco guys. We have the technical vocational education training, the TVET, where we have even equipped Africa at Mount Kenya University. Just get there. There are certificate courses, there are diploma courses that you can take.
Objective of the way the results are being released, I think, was to address the issue of examination malpractices, which we hope have achieved. They have, to some extent, the Kenya National Examination Council have achieved. We may say they have areas that they can improve on, but at least it has addressed that part of examination malpractice.
Ekero abaraya bange barura kandire bakomotia egekora kiabasai kyo gutumika imitandao be anene mono kubeka chibicha chiabaraya roro nigo bono omoseneto makweni omoske Daniel Manzo oyubwego omanyekane na Dan Manzo ayakire na kwegerera osena kwegerera abasaya satebire ekekwirira ebikore ebyo no kubora kwechigasi asinsiti ya Kenya.
Hile inakasirisha watoto wa Kenya ni serikali. Wewe umesoma umepata A, kwenda university inakuwa ni shida kama mtoto wa maskini. Wewe umeenda umepiga kura vizuri. Wewe ukienda ukiandamana tu kwa jambo ya maana, unapigwa risasi, unauawa ama unakuwa abducted. Ukipelekwa abduction unatezwa huko. Hiyo ndio inakasirisha watoto wa Kenya. Wanasiasa ndio wamefunza watoto wa Kenya tabia mbaya. Wao wanasiasa ndio wamefunza watoto wa Kenya kuandika kwa mtandao mambo baya.
Maikaje serikali ya kaunti ya Nairobi kwena na notice go chiasa abonchorera baria bagwetana ne ebintu asomo chioyo go se hokas nigo bono murai omo oyo kabeiro mokonye bu murai wensi ya Kenya moskeri gatigashagwa esokire na kwegerera gusina kuboria serikali etigane abonchorera abo okobani go bakwerigeria rigati nigaya kwana yiga ase kanisa ya moshio Nairobi.
Ndia 500,000 utafute pahali utareplace naye. That will not be available for you anymore because hii kutesa watu kama sasa hii hawkers wanateswa, wanaandikiwa barua watoke, na ni mchoro tu. Kuna kijana wetu alikuwa kijana mzuri sana anaitwa Jagua, kale kama wanake kama ndo kale gastarehe alikuwa tuikite kurago tome hiyo kijana ndio anapanga hiyo maneno, na ni maneno walizoea wakati ya Uhuru. Anaenda anapanga watu wafukuzwe town, alafu wanakimbia kwa Uhuru, wanarudishwa, Uhuru anapata umaarufu. Hiyo kijana ndio anapanga sasa ati hawkers wafurushwe, aende kwa Ruto, isimamishwe, ati ndio watu wetu wapende Ruto. Iko haja gani ndio watu wakupende kuanza kuwatesa na kuwaumiza? Kwa hivyo tunataka kusema hiyo maneno ya mchezo na wafanyabiashara wetu, hawkers wetu, mnataka kucheza na hao political game ati muwatoe alafu msimamishe ndio wapende nyinyi. I think it is very wrong. Na huyo kijana wetu ningetaka kumuomba awache hiyo maneno. Wewe kijana, hapana tumika kufanya mipango pale ya kuumiza watu wetu. Wale hawkers walikuchagua kama mjumbe wa starehe. At least be grateful they gave you 5 years. Usiende kuingia mipango na president ati vile mtawafurusha alafu muwatetee ati warudishwe. That is playing politics with the lives of our traders, and it is wrong and it should not happen. Kwa hivyo mimi niseme nikimalizia,
na murai wensi ya Kenya niga asabire abarai amana Kenya kubwatirana erio kogendereria ensi ya Kenya. Moskeruto niga ya kwana ya igasi Kanisa United Pentecostal Church ikotoka Dagoretti North county ya Nairobi.
Sasa tuko na serikali ya broad based. We must not squander the opportunity to use this moment of this broad based government to achieve much for our nation, to make sure that we deal with food insecurity, to make sure that we drive our program on employment of our young people, to make sure that we drive our program on housing and markets, to make sure that we achieve universal health coverage, to make sure that we drive the progress of our nation. This is an opportunity for all of us leaders. Nataka mnisikize vizuri viongozi. Sio nyinyi peke yenu, hata wale wa Kenya wote. We have a moment in history where God has put us together in a broad-based government so that we can drive the development of our country faster and further together. Let us not waste this moment. This moment is not about William Ruto. This moment is not about the governor. It's not about the member of parliament or the MCA. This moment is about Kenya and the transformation of Kenya. That should be our focus.
Unenchira yemo yoko ene kiabuna chisemi goskachire bosio nigo muraiwensi ya Kenya kerakora ekani gose kerakora emesa kurwe ekanisa ya United Pentecostal Church atarira skru ya Nairobi erikorata obwagachi bwebiri ase 20 ebyachakire kwagacha.
Are you guys here? And I remember that I have an assignment that I agreed with you last year. And I came to inspect the construction of the dormitory that I committed that I would do for the school. I also came to see the construction of the classrooms. I had asked a friend of mine to design. He did a good job, but I had to correct some of the things that I didn't like. So I had to take him back to the drawing board because I want the dormitory here to be the best in this school. I am truly happy that you as a school are making progress. As you know, the children of our nation is a blessing to us. You as a children are a blessing to us as parents and also as a society. And we must do the best that we can and give each and every one of you the best possible opportunity to be the best that you can be. And so, as a commitment from me, I undertook.
Mwancho murigeria yomuna yenda mangi nochiko enyora ase kionga CHINSA ibere ne CHINSA nyecho botukobwa rero ase nchira yobwekirano nchenka NYABOGA magech kamere to ingene wirfiri matundra na boigo havira kariri nero ene kechibichechi na mario ingo ikirachira ase nchira yobwekirano twense amo twakokanire burigereri borobia ase merobere ya Getembe TV ekobwatia.
Getembe Television EKEONGA kiamamogusi. Amasomo nanine obumanyi nabubora irire omwana okogendera asama tuko ali busio ne aye omwiburi kwabire gukuri Yesukuru asoraire omwana ayanyorera obumanyi nanine wichikosi chemaboko muretekero ka Technical Training Institute elio aibunduse chikosi ao igaiga ntubwate chikosi bunabono elia ya Building and Civil Engineering kubundisa tureboigo ekosi ya Electrical and Electronics Engineering ase ekosia Agriculture and Environment Studies ase ekosia Applied Science Department ntubwate Science Laboratory Technician level 5 na level 6 ase ekosia Computing and Informatics Department ntubwate ekosia ICT Technician level 5 na level 6 Getembe Lab ase nsema ya Community and Online Working imiyeskuru yigaya keti nigotubwate a Modern Library eyubwate bintu byonsi ibiraga nibigotumika ari nayo kubundisa